Mama, you okay?
Ah,
You okay?
yeah. Your daddy not going home yet?
Yeah, at midnight.
Ah. Ah.
Your flower that Bobik daddy give you is nice flower.
Yeah, thank you. How come they not go together again, ah?
They can't understand the divorce.
Yeah. Yeah, huh?
Yeah, crazy.
Yeah. Very crazy. You stay here.
Okay. This is my grandma's house.